folks. How the devil are you today? Now that is the view you want out of your window in the mornings. Jesus Christ. That's insane. I just have to do a thing for my Instagram. If you don't have me already, it's here. It's probably a good idea because I post on the stories on there, like live, what I'm doing. So that's a day before the video comes out. That is pretty impressive to look at. Got up nice and early. I've been umming and ahhing what to do. Do I go to the mountain now? Or do I do the video first? I'm going to make the video first now. So that's done and uploaded. I know I've got internet here. And then I'll head up. It's about 40 minutes away. Yeah, there's no like mad rush. We'll just go check it out today. If we can ski, we can ski. There's a lot of cloud over there at the minute. But I don't know, see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, if we can get there sort of before 12, go check it out, and then I can go for a ski, hopefully, for a few hours. But I know my luck, I get up there and there'll be no signal. I won't be able to upload. So, video is priority, of course. And then, yeah, we'll see what we can find. I'm excited about this. Might even be able to stay there overnight, I don't know. Doing a full, like, 8-hour day of skiing, it's just not going to happen, is it? So, a day ticket's 28 quid. Yeah, here you go. Afternoon ticket, £20. So, it's not bad. Season pass at £200. It's a bit different to 2,000, isn't it? Jesus Christ. Right, I'm going to get straight busy on this video. Get it knocked out quick. Stay. Folk, I'm actually shaking with excitement. I'm not going to lie. Oh my God. It's just... Oh, it looks incredible. The sun is out. It's 11 o'clock. It's time to go find some snow. I'm a happy man right now. I will film as much as I can. So please bear with me. I've got the Osmos charged and stuff. But I think day one we're just going to go up there, see what the crack is. And get familiar with it. So the filming probably won't be amazing, but I'll say I will try. Right, let's bloody do it. Alright, put the location in. It's about 30 miles that way. Can't even expose because it's too bright. Hang on. There you go. Oh my God. What a view. What a spot. What a place. Oh yeah, really quick. I'm not going to keep going on about power and stuff all the time. But for those interested, I'm just making the video now. I realised I didn't say how much power had gone down to before I went to bed. When I got up this morning, before the sun was really hitting the van, it was down to 92%. Going by the rule of not going under 50%, that gives me a week. So, yeah. Right, let's go find some mountains. Teleported into a little French mountain village. It's so weird. Look, tell me this doesn't look like France. We could be in Chamonix right now. It's ridiculous. I keep having to remind myself that I'm in the UK right now. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, holy shit. What the hell is this place? I've got nothing whatsoever. Good, this might be a problem. Should have come early. literally got no words. I don't know what to say. This is insane. Look out the goddamn window. This is the UK, man. What? Right, I just spoke to the parking dude, and he said it's okay to stay here overnight. The car park is a donation system, so it's up to you, but I will put some in. So I'm just going to walk straight up there with my ski stuff. Screw it. Oh, I'm absolutely buzzing off my arse right now. You have no idea how excited I am about this. Yeah, this channel will never be one of these overhyped, over-energized things, but this, I don't care. I'll take an Osmo with me and try and film a bit, but I've not set things up. I'll go again tomorrow. Set all like the head cam up and all of that crap. I'll just go get my bearings today, because realistically I'm probably going to fall over a lot. So, don't want to be destroying cameras and stuff, do we? The audio is probably going to be poor, I'm afraid, because, like I say, I'm just going to take this as it is. Just have to stick a bit of music over it, won't I? I'm really nervous. Got my pass. I was absolutely f***ing myself going up that drag at the start. Starting to get the feel for it again. So let's do a run down and then we'll see how we are. There we go, folks. Oh, I can't even describe to you how happy I am right now. I was so nervous at first, but it's literally, I just got on it and jumped down straight on the slope, and now I feel great. I'm sweating a lot though. It's a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be. Oh, this is amazing. So this time I'm going to go up to the top, which is right up there. Straight onto the fence. This thing did off snatching. You bastard. Look how aggressive they are. Try and film a bit. Europe didn't get lost at least once a day. So I was supposed to be taking a blue all the way down. It ended up turning into a red. Took me down there. And there was no way to go, so now I'm going up this pommer. And I don't know where it goes. Oh, it's only 2 o'clock, come on legs. Oh, you bastard. That's it, I'm coming up here every year now. Screw it. This is my winter home. Brexit is not a problem anymore. So it's 2:30. I reckon I'm going to nip back to the van quick, grab a coffee, I'll attach you to my head, and then we'll come back up and go again. How's that sound? My legs are throbbing. So epic. I can't get over it. I really can't. Look out the bloody window right now. I am battered. My legs feel like they've just been ran over by a train. Oh, what a day. I can't believe it. I still can't believe it. Even though I've been doing it for the past 4 hours, I still don't believe it. This is the UK. Like, realistically, I can't, if I'm talking funny, my lips are dead. I think they're actually dead. They might fall off. I'm just going to have a look, see what that sign says over there. I want to double check. Well, it just says £2 in the donation box. It says £2 in the donation box. So, and it says if out of hours, put it in the donation box or up there. If so, I probably should have done that. Oh well, I'll just put it in there. But it's talking about like 24-hour toilets and all of that. So realistically, should be good. I'll tell you what, the way my legs are feeling right now, might have to have a day off. Oh God! Oh, what an awesome day. Just hope the footage from the Osmos turned out alright. If you just saw a 5-minute clip of facing the ground, then I do apologise. I'm not very good at the action cam stuff. Just been out, took a couple of pickies, managed to fall over. I barely walk. Just hobbling around the car park. God, look at that sky. That's mega. To change my mind, so on the way up there was another massive car park like this, just a little bit further down. I'm going to pop down there and have a look, simply because I was just remembering when I was in the tour and I stayed there overnight. Yeah, this car park's going to get rammed again tomorrow. I'd sooner, if I do come skiing again tomorrow, I'd sooner just park somewhere there again and walk a bit further, rather than, because I've moved up here into the middle of it all and I'm just going to get blocked in. There's going to be people everywhere from, you know, it opens at 9 and I'm going to be sat in my van wanting to chill with the wood burner on, and the car park's going to be rammo. So I think we'll have a little drive down there. I'm going to stick some money in the honesty box on the way out, because that's the right thing to do, and it's a sick car park and an awesome ski lodge. So there it is, look, another big car park. Find somewhere to park up in this. God, look at that, you see that light up there? That's a pieced machine. I went up that slope today, or up that drag lift. God, it looks well steep from here. That was a bit of a leg burner actually going up that. If anything, it's almost a better view from this one. I did film a few other bits and bobs, but the video was getting a bit long for my liking. I've just edited it now. 2 videos in one day. Animal. Wow, that's pretty epic. You're not going to be able to see anything, obviously. Let's take a really quick snapshot on that camera so you can see what I'm looking at. There you go, pretty awesome. Right, time for bed. See you all tomorrow.